In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can have the Google Meet into your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar, type Edge, click on Microsoft Edge under the best match. Okay, then simply type in the search bar Google Meet, hit enter. Then click on this from meet.google.com. So obviously, you can open Google Meet through a browser on your Windows, but you can also have it as a separate app. So click on the three dots on your Edge browser on the top right corner, and you will find apps, and you'll find this option Install Google Meet. Click on that. Click on the install button, and now you can allow this app to pin to taskbar, pin to start. Click on allow. And now if I'm going to close the Edge browser, we can now use the Google Meet as a separate application from the browser. You can also search for it to confirm it. Google Meet, an application under the best match. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.